Good day. In this video, we're going to run through question 2 of this 2018 prelim paper. This question is about sequences and series. It is not a tutorial, so we're just running through the questions and their answers. The first question reads, calculate the number of terms in the following arithmetic sequence, and they gave us this. If you checked, you'd see that there is a constant difference of -5. That makes it an arithmetic sequence, so let's go to the term formula. Substitute the information you have into that formula and solve for n. Please stop the video. Second question, the third term of a geometric series is 18 and the fifth term is 162. Determine the sum of the first 7 terms where the rate is a negative. You put that information into maths terms first. Then we go for simultaneous equations. I like to put the highest term at the top and the smaller one at the bottom. Then you cancel. You divide 2 by 1. You get r squared equals to 9. If you square root both sides of this equation, you get a plus or minus 3. But they told us the rate has to be a negative, so we only choose the -3. Then because it's simultaneous equations, you substitute this -3 back into either that equation or that equation. And your a equals to 2. They asked us to find the sum of the first 7 terms. We take the sum formula of a geometric series, substitute in the values and get the answer. Please stop the video. Third question reads 2.3. The following terms form a quadratic sequence. 3x, 11, 21, 35. Determine the value of x. We write down the terms. Work out the first difference between all the terms. Work out the second difference there, and equate their answers. Simplify that equation and get the value of x. Please stop the video. The next question reads, the first term of a geometric sequence is 9. The ratio of the sum of the first 8 terms to the sum of the first 4 terms is 97 to 81. Determine the first 3 terms of the sequence if all terms are positive. We wrote here, it is a friend of question 2.2, and we made a separate video for this one. You can just type on YouTube, Math P1 question 2.4, and you'll find it. Last question of the video says, consider the infinite geometric series, and they gave us 1, 2, 3 terms, and it goes on infinitely. For which value or values of p is a series convergent? Firstly, work out r, t2 divide by t1. That term divide by that term. Then you get r is p minus 5. Because it's convergent, r will lie between -1 and 1. It's on your formula sheet. Substitute the r in. Then solve for p by plussing 5 on both sides. Please stop the video. Next, they said in this video, if p is now 4.5, calculate the sum to infinity. You write down the formula for the sum to infinity, and then you see I need a, my first term, and my ratio, r. We work out the a by taking term 1 from there, substituting p is 4.5 in there, and getting the answer a is -1. Then you work out term 2 to get to my ratio. Term 2 divided by term 1 will give me my ratio, which is -1/2. Plug that into my formula and get the answer, -2/3. Please stop the video. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked the video and subscribe to the channel. If you are unsure about one of these questions, please send a clear WhatsApp photo of the problem to this number and also a clear WhatsApp photo of where you tried it. Then we will try and solve the problem for you and send back an answer as soon as possible. Enjoy sequences and series.